Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss about function of statistics. What are the function of statistics? The first function of statistics is to simplify complex facts. The first function of statistic is to simplify complex facts. What does it mean? It means it is very difficult for an individual to understand and conclude from huge numerical data. Statistical methods try to present great mass of complex data into simple and understandable form. Statistics helps to simplify the complex data. Suppose, for example, I have data of marks of student class 10, and I have to find out class 10, and I have to show their result in my advertisement. What would I do? It would be very difficult to show result of every student. So I will first make average of their result, and that result can be shown in advertisement. Suppose the class 10th result, the average result of the student is 82%. That is the average result. So stat is how to find average of the large sum of data. That is we can find average with the help of statistics. So we can say that statistics helps in simplify complex facts, and it would be easy to it helps in show the data in simple and understandable form, so it would easily understand. Next very important function of statistics is to present fact in definite form. To present facts in definite form. Second important function of statistics is to present facts in definite form. What does again it means? This means quantitative facts can easily be believed and trusted in comparison to qualitative facts. Statistics summarize the specialized facts. Statistics summarizes the generalize facts and present them in definite form. Students, for example, I am saying a statement like rate of inflation, that is inflation means consistent rise in price in a country is 10%. That is the inflation rate is more convincing than statement like price are rising. If I say that the prices of goods, average prices of goods and services is rising with the rate of 10%, and what is the term used for consistently rising price is inflation, and we say that inflation is rising by 10% is more convincing than simply say that price is rising consistently. So with the help of statistics we can present fact in definite form. So that is the and how to find inflation, and inflation, and how I convert inflation into that particular percentage, that is 10%. That is the method that is that you have to study in statistics. So we can say that to to present fact. Statistics help in to present facts in definite form, or summarize the generalized fact and present them in definite form. Next function is statistics is to make comparison of fact, to make comparison of facts, to make comparison of facts. Comparison is one of the main function of statistics. We can say comparison is main function of statistics. Main function of statistics. As the absolute figure convey a less concrete meaning. For example, comparison of data, various statistical methods like average, rates, percentage ratio, etc. are used. For example, per capita example, I will explain it with the help of example. For example, per capita income of developing countries like India, developing countries may not be much use unless we know the per capita income of developed countries. Students, uh, for comparison of any data, for comparison of data, we need to know the actual facts in terms of numerical facts, and that is the main function of statistics. For example, if we compare like what is the per capita income of India and with the India is a developing country, and what is the per capita income of India with the developed country like United States of America and European countries. So we can compare what is the per capita income of India, that is developing country, and what is the per capita income of developed country. So we can easily compare the with the help of per capita income we can generalize that what is the quality of life of the people, and where is the needed to go, and what can is also help the government to increase the per capita income. Government will plan according to the plan, so that the per capita income of the country will increase like the developed country. So statistics helps in the making comparison of the facts. Next important function is to facilitate planning and policy formulation. To facilitate planning and policy formulation, as we discussed few minutes ago, that on the basis of numerical facts and their analysis, businessman and administrator can plan future activities and shape their policies. Just I discussed recently that with the help of per capita income of the country, government can plan how to increase per capita income of the country, so we can achieve the level of developed country. That is is with the help of statistical data that help the government in planning. Likewise, for a businessman, statistical data help in the planning. Like if the government if the businessman know what are the demand of the economy, aggregate demand in the economy of their goods, according to their aggregate demand, data of aggregate demand, the businessman can plan for the production. So we can say the statistics helps to facilitate planning and policy formulation, whether it is government, whether it's individual person, or whether it's businessman, whoever. With the help of statistical data, they will that will help in the planning and policy formulation. Now next function is to help in forecasting. Statistic helps in forecasting. Means as a business, as you know student, business is full of risk and uncertainty. Correct forecasting is essential to reduce the uncertainties of business. Statistical tools help in making projection for statistics will help in making projections for future. With the help of statistical data, correct forecasting can be done, and that will also help the businessman to projection for future, because business is there is lots of risk and uncertainties in the business. Next function is formulation, or next function you can say that to enlarge individual knowledge and experience. To enlarge knowledge and experience. Statistics enabled people to enlarge their horizon. It sharpens the faculty of rational thinking. It also helps in rational thinking. Rational thinking means thinking with logic, rational thinking and reasoning, and it is also helpful in propounding new theories and concept. So these are the basic function of statistics. First function is to simplify complex facts. Helps statistical data helps in simplify the complex facts. With the help of statistical tools, we can convert large data into a simple facts. Second is to present fact in a definite form. Statistics help in show the fact in a definite form. Next is to make comparison of the facts. With the help of statistical data, it would be easy to compare. Next is to facilitate planning and policy formulation. Statistical data help in the planning, for the planning to government and businessman or individual or policy formulation. With the help of statistical data, it would be easy to planning and for accordingly policy formulation. Next is to help in forecasting. With the help of statistical data, the businessman can make a projection for future. And with the help of statistical, there are various tools through which statistical data can be converted into simple form. And with these data, the businessman, because there is lots of risk and uncertainty in the business, so with the help of statistical data, they can make planning, and accordingly they make do production and manufacturing. Next is to enlarge individual knowledge and experience. Of course, with the help of statistics, people can enlarge their horizon. That with the statistics help in rational thinking and reasoning, and is helpful in propounding new theories and concept. There are lots of theories in statistics, and with the during the study of statistics, they understand various theories and concepts related to statistics, and that will uh, help them in enlarge their knowledge and rational thinking. So student, these are the function of statistics. Now I will discuss that is importance of statistics. Now student, what are the importance of statistics? uh, as you know student, statistics is widely used in modern times. Initially, you will see that it was employed by the government to collect information on public affairs, but gradually its use was extended to all field. You can see use of statistics in all field, and I will discuss one by one to all fields. The first importance in the area of importance to the government. What is the importance of statistics to the government? How statistical data help to the government? Second one is importance in economics. Third one is importance in economic planning. How statistics help in economic planning. And next is importance in business. Importance in business. I'll discuss one by one. First, I'll discuss that is importance to the government. What is the role of importance to the government? Here I will discuss what is the role of statistics for the government. How statistics help to the government. The subject of statistics are initially used by the ancient rulers in assessment of their military and economic strength. Initially it was statistics was only used in the in the assessment of their military and economic strength. Gradually scope has enlarged and tackle other problems related to political activities in the economy. The present scenario, government collect first importance, we can say that government collect large amount of statistics for various purpose. Government collect a large amount of statistics for various purposes. You have find out that in your practical life that every time you will see that poverty rate of India is this, literacy rate is this, unemployment rate is this, child mortality rate is this. So for all those purpose, government collect statistical data. So first importance of government is government collects large amount of statistical data for various purposes. The second is the role of government has increased, requires much greater information in form of numerical figures, like government to fulfill for government collect data to fulfill the welfare objective. Suppose what would be government wanted to do some welfare work, and for achieving welfare objective, government have to collect data in which areas there is need of for the government scheme. Second is such as, whereas there is various methods for collecting statistical data, like time series analysis, index number, that all those topic you have to study further. Forecasting and demand analysis are extensively used in formulating economic policy. Statistical data helps the government in formulating economic policies. Next is in a, especially for our country, like India is a democratic country, various political groups are also guided by the statistical analysis uh, regarding their popularity, uh, regarding their popularity, to find popularity in the masses. Even you have also seen during election that there is exit poll, and exit poll is what, with the help of statistical data, the news channels try to find out which party is going to win. So here statistics also help to find, even the all the political party, with the help of data, they wanted to find what is the popularity of their party in the masses, means most of the population. So we can conclude here that it is impossible to think about functioning of modern government in the absence of statistics. With these function, you can understand what is the importance of statistics, and we can also say that it is impossible to think about functioning of modern government in the absence of statistics. So you have seen what is the importance of statistics to the government. Next is importance in economics. What is the importance of statistics in economics and economic planning and business, that I will discuss in my next video.